Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to the Sacred Energy Activation. In today's meditation, we are going to be calling upon our angels and spirit teams to surround us with divine protection, bringing light and harmony into our bodies, our homes, and the entire space that supports us. Together, we will open a channel of divine light, universal love, and higher guidance, allowing angelic energy to create a protective cocoon of peace and safety around everything that supports your life. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Angelica. I am a Reiki Master, an intuitive empath, and a channel for divine light, and it is my honor to guide you through these healing experiences. Before we begin, I would also like to share a quick note. Depending on when you are listening to this meditation, if you do not have YouTube Premium, you may experience ads during the video. YouTube does not give creators control over ad placements until channels have reached at least 1,000 subscribers and a certain amount of watch time. So if you enjoy this meditation and would like to support the space of healing, with gratitude, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And now, let us begin. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Allow your hands to rest softly by your side or in your lap, whichever feels most natural. And when you are ready, gently close your eyes. We are going to begin this session with some deep breaths to help activate the parasympathetic nervous system. This is the part of the body responsible for rest, healing, and restoration. With every slow inhale and exhale, your body begins to release cortisol and stress hormones. Your nervous system gently shifts out of fight or flight mode and into a state of peace, safety, and balance. So with that, bring your awareness to your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in through the nose and slowly exhale through the mouth. Again, breathe in deeply and release slowly. Allow your breath to soften your body. Relax your forehead. Release the space around your eyes. Unclench your jaw. Continue breathing, letting the neck and shoulders soften, allowing any tension to melt away. Feel the relaxation move down through your arms, your hands, and your fingertips. Bring your awareness to your heart center. Allow your chest to expand with each inhale and release with each exhale. Relax your stomach, your hips, your legs, all the way down to your feet. Your entire body now resting in a state of calm presence. You are safe here. You are supported here. Now imagine above you a beautiful sphere of radiant golden light. This light is the frequency of divine love and angelic protection. It begins to slowly descend like a gentle waterfall of light surrounding you completely. This divine light fills every space around you and flows gently into your body, into your mind, into your emotions, into your spirit, into every cell of your physical being. Now begin calling upon your angels and spirit team. Silently or softly say within, angels, guides, and loving spirit team, I welcome your presence. Feel them gathering around you now, loving, protective, wise. Now imagine your angels gently expanding this light outward. It begins to surround your entire home. See beautiful beings of light standing around the perimeter of your home, holding hands, forming a sacred circle. Together, they begin sending radiant streams of light into the structure of the home, into every room, into every wall, into every corner. This light clears away any and all lower vibrational or negative energies. Any stagnant energy also dissolves now, returning back into pure neutral light. Your home now becomes a sanctuary of peace, protected, blessed, filled with divine presence. Now see this light expanding toward every person within your home. The angels gently surround each individual, sending healing light into every layer of their being, into their physical body, their emotional body, their mental body, their energetic and spiritual body. Now call in the guides and angels of each person in the home. Allow their spirit teams to join the circle of protection. Next, we invite the archangels to join. Archangel Michael, bringing protection and strength. Archangel Raphael, bringing healing and restoration. Archangel Gabriel, bringing clarity and divine communication. Archangel Uriel, bringing wisdom and illumination. And all other archangels that are aligned with divine light. Their presence magnifies the protective energy. Now see this light expanding beyond the home, covering your entire property, every pathway, every inch of land. Now extend this protection to all vehicles on the property. See each vehicle surrounded in radiant light, protected in every journey, guided safely wherever it travels. This entire space now becomes a cocoon of divine light, protected, sacred, aligned with the highest good of all. Simply rest here in this beautiful field of angelic energy and allow yourself to receive. Silently repeat these affirmations within your heart. I am divinely protected. My home is surrounded in divine light. My family and loved ones are guided and protected. My property and vehicles are safe and blessed. Only energies of love, peace, and divine alignment may enter my space. My angels and guides walk beside me always. Allow these truths to settle into your heart. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently release. Begin bringing your awareness back into your body, back to the room around you. Begin to reawaken your body with small, gentle movements. And when you feel ready, lovingly open your eyes. Know that this cocoon of angelic protection remains with you. Your home, your property, and your loved ones remain surrounded by divine light. And remember, you are never alone. Your angels and spirit team walk beside you always. Thank you for sharing this sacred moment with me. And if this meditation brought you peace, I warmly invite you to subscribe to the channel so that we can continue this journey of healing and light together, sending you love, protection, and blessings. And so it is.